I'm really getting the impression there's a tornado in the area because anytime I see lightning like this, I think to myself, tornado! But I thought I actually saw one touch down in front of me when I was driving down, but I think it was my imagination. You know how that is. Hopefully, my roommate Andrew will get home soon. Almost looks like the sky could be opening up any minute now. So all this bad weather is literally coming in from the west, from Missouri, which is Andrew's home state. Oh, the wind's picking up. Cool. I'm trying to take pictures. It ain't easy. Yeah, I love when lightning is like this. It's kind of fascinating. It makes you wonder, like, what kind of impending doom we're going to get next. I haven't videotaped or filmed weather like this since I first moved to Kentucky back in 2019. I was like standing outside watching weather like this coming in, if I remember correctly, and then the tornado sirens started going off, and I was like freaking out. So I made an announcement on my Facebook page that I'm going to be filming my move. So the reason why is because of the fact that my brother is moving out towards the jungle gyms out in Fairfield, and I'm moving into my parents' house. And I figured, what the heck, try to be different, all that fun stuff. Try to be creative. I do apologize, I never did film yesterday at Kings Island. My dad found out I was going to Kings Island and asked if he could go with me, and I'm like, sure, why not, and I decided it was more important for me to spend time with my dad than to work on my YouTube channel. And the only thing that kind of disappointed me, to be honest, was the fact that I didn't get to ride a single roller coaster, but I made that decision on my own. Just so you guys know, yesterday was the last day that I got a chance to go visit Kings Island during the regular week. Unfortunately, due to employee shortage, they are going to weekends only starting this weekend, if I'm not mistaken. 2021 has been kind of a rough year on the, how should I put this, the employee industry. I guess you could say a lot of businesses are just so desperate right now for help, and they're just not getting the help that they're looking for. It's kind of sad. Alright, I'm going to shut up for the next minute and just let you listen to the silence. Whoa, that was cool. So this is not going to be the end of my vlog. I'm going to keep my eye on the storm and from inside the house. The storm is practically here, as you can see. Oh, there's Andrew. Now good. He just got home. And it's time for me to bring in the garbage and the recycling. Alright, I'm going to sign off for now. Alright, I'm back at it again. Try to steer with one hand, taking the garbage out, you know. So Andrew says that there's a very low chance of rain. It looks kind of brighter over there. I know you can't really tell on the camera, but I can. And it's not too bad out that way, but it's like pretty black out that way, like especially behind my house. You can really see it's like really dark, especially after the right, and that's the west, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I believe it is because of the fact that if I were heading towards the Creation Museum, this is the direction I would need to go. Because I live really close to the Creation Museum, as I mentioned in that one Creation Museum vlog. And I have to drive a long ways just to get to the Ark. Ooh, that was pretty. Alright, I'll be back. So I just got off the phone with Meyer a couple of minutes ago and asked them if they had any boxes, and they said only just banana boxes. So I asked them if they could put some aside for me if they get any. And I'll come by to go get it. I'll make sure I let my former coordinator Ashley know I finally called and spoke to the manager about it. So I'm not gonna say his name for his privacy. I kind of wish I was filming a little bit ago. The wind was like super intense, like it is kind of getting to now. Alright, I think that about does it, so I will see you guys on the next vlog, and always remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Have a great night, peace out.